All right, people, how you doing out there today? Today we're gonna do a light beat, something light to keep you tight. All right, so we got this serum right here, and what you want to do is you want to put some on each side of your face and on your forehead, and always remember, a little goes a long way. Make sure you rub it in real good. Real good.
I can't believe I fell for your schemes.
And up next, we got this Clinique. It's a moisturizing lotion. Basically gonna do the same thing, just rub it in real good. And always remember, a little goes a long way.
That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind.
You still with me? Stay with me now. Trust the process. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to grab your spoolie and brush it down and use your eyeliner. Real good. Real good.
Me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's why.
Okay, so right now she started to put the concealer on, and as y'all can see, she's very focused because she don't play like them brows. And so she put the concealer on. It really looked like some paint, but yeah.
I know that I will never disappoint myself.
Like I said, very focused. Don't play about them brows. Don't play with it.
After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again.
Blend, 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 blend. Blend it in. Y'all gotta blend it in. If y'all don't blend it in, it's not gonna look right. It's gonna look solid instead of faded. So y'all gotta blend it in. Y'all know what to do.
After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again.
Up next, we got this Elf gel. That's what that is. Yeah, the Elf Power Grip Primer. Yeah, that's what it is. Primer. So what you want to do is same thing like the other thing. Each side. And what you always got to remember, little goes a long way. And oh yeah, don't worry about that little sticky icky. Everything just fine. Up next, we got Auntie Ray Ray, Fenty Beauty, baby.
I gotta give a game proper, spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. So you're trying to leave this.
You gotta get Morphe in your life. Set mist. Just mist it all over your face. Oh yeah, refresh. You see it. Okay. On to the next.
Okay, so now she blended in the foundation, and y'all want to make sure y'all blend it in real good and smooth. So y'all have that big face that y'all going for. That good, nice makeup look you want for professional looking makeup that y'all going for. Make sure it's real nice and smooth. Smoothed it out. Make sure there's no like pieces that you forgot to smooth out, or it's just not going to look like it. And we don't want that. No.
That you got my attention, you're making me want to say oh. You're trying to leave. How I love you, keep you here with me, your baby.
Okay, so now we're using Born This Way multi-scoping concealer, and she finna, let me see what she finna do with this. Oh, she put it like by her nose, by the crest of her nose, like right there, kind of under your eye, and then on the side of her eyes, because you know we gotta eat this look up. Then on her nose, her forehead, and then on the top of her lip, and on her chin. And then you're gonna take your beauty blender, spray some that Morphe, what you need in your life, like my daddy said. You're gonna spray that, and you're gonna put it on there, and then you're gonna blend it all in and make it nice and good looking.
She want to, man.
Oh, listen, wait, baby.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do.
Okay, so next I got this powder. I think it says S/O. I don't really know what that stands for, cause I don't really like do makeup like that. All I do is like lashes and lip gloss or some mascara. But yeah, it's like S&O stuff. I don't know what it is. I think it's setting powder, like powder to set your look. Or I think it's the Baker face. I think that's what they be saying. But it looked like powdered sugar or something. I don't really know what that is. But yeah.
You want to be very careful not to get this in your eye. Gonna send you to the goddamn hospital.
Fucking nigga up like Lucy Daisy. You know what them but some maze. Don't be up in that shit like you lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you skating. Don't hold up on my shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot and be patient. This type shit have you riding. Last minute trips to the islands. Drip, drip, drip when you're sliding. Rip, 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 baby, riding. Don't hesitate when you take me cause you know I like it. Taking up a gate for you. Sweet boy, they like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it.
Alright, y'all, it's about time for me to go. But like she's doing right now, as I can see, she's blending in. Making powder in the face up, baking up the face, whatever it's called. Face coming from nice hot out the oven, baking it up on 350. Yeah.
No, I need it just one time, 2 times, a few times. You know that I need to live it right on time. Baby, bring it to me, show I'm putting in overtime and overdrive.
Give me low, turn me round, treat me like a watch, bust me down. On the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's my and I want it now. Ow. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach.
Hey y'all, I'm back from do this voiceover. So right now she's Hello Fenty Beauty, real cute, real simple, real classy. Now she's just showing y'all, you know, yeah, she needs some help, but we ain't gonna talk about that. Now we're just gonna dab it in Hello makeup, and then we're gonna put it on your face. But don't just put it on, just slap it on your face. Use circle motion so it blends real nice, you know, so you be looking cute. And yeah, now y'all enjoy the music. So now you want to do the other side of your face like the same way, circle motion, make it look cute. So yeah. Now make sure you get your forehead, make sure you do every part of your face because we need all of it to look cute and pretty and all that. So now you want to go in with your NARS, and now she's just showing y'all what it is, real cute. And now you just get your brush, and yeah.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach.
So now you just get your brush and then you rub it all on your face. Remember, circle motion. Make sure it's all blended, Pookie. And yeah, just get all over your face. Make sure it's real cute, real pretty, real all that.
They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout.
So now you just get your powder, real cute, real classy, you know. Now she just show you what it is, and I probably got the hang of it now. So yeah, basically just get it, and she's gonna show you where to put it, but I'm gonna also tell you my tip. So yeah, now you just get your beauty blender and get the tip, and you go from ear to side of your mouth, ear, side of your mouth, 3 times on the same time each side. So yeah, that's what y'all see her doing. Yeah. So now you're gonna get the same tip, and you're gonna do your nose. You're gonna go from like the inner corner eye all the way down, inner corner eye all the way down, 1 time on each side. Now don't do 3. So yeah, y'all, she feeling herself, and now it's time to get these eyes popping. So yeah, y'all, she's using the Wannabe palette. Very cute, very classy, because what is these some classy girls. And then you want to get the dark brown all the way to the right side, all the way down. So you're going to start from like the top of your eye, and then you're going to work your way down. So you're going to go to the top of the eye on both eyes. So now we're using the one all above the one that we just used, and we're going to blend it in with the one that we just used. So yeah, real cute. Just make sure you do it on both eyes, and you blend it in circle motion. And then you do the one all the way at the top, in the middle. Yeah, just to give it that little light pop color, real cute.
From around my way, ever try to hold back your feelings? But it just wouldn't change. But when I finally found the word.
So now you go back in with the same dark brown one that you just used, and you just kind of, you know, get the side of your eye and right where your eyelashes are to make it look real cute. So now we're gonna go in with our blush, real cute, real pink, you know. So that's what the blush that she's using. I hope it's amazing. So yeah, now just put it on your teeth, but not too much because you want to get it right now.
But I arrested the coochie and the feelings got caught. Spiderweb sex.
And a little side note, when you do your makeup, make sure that you get the feeling yourself, like how she's doing right now. Feeling yourself to give yourself that motivation to keep going.
You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it, I just hung and let the watch give up the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I change.
Now you're gonna go in with some spray. I don't know what kind of spray this is, but I guess you just spray it on your face before you put your lashes on and your lip gloss and yeah, all that. I don't know what this is though. Lashes on what? Lashes on fleek. That's what I'm telling y'all. Get the feeling yourself, keep y'all motivation. Like, lashes on what? Fleek.
I've been all in my phone, I got options.
Now we're gonna go on with these 2 mixes of lip glosses. Real cute. Yeah, real cute. I think they call like NYC or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, when y'all go to your little makeup store, get those 2 combos. They're really cute.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Yeah, I don't know who she was talking to, but yeah, the first thing lip gloss is given. Now we're ready for the second pair. Real cute, real cute.
Tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, to my
So yeah, just rub it in real cute, real classy, and there you have it. And I thank y'all for watching my voiceover.
And there you have it. Beautiful, glamorous, stunning.
Wouldn't wanna leave, you know I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body. My body is saying, my mind, and my heart. My body is saying, I know, I know you ain't gotta talk alright. I know you ain't gotta talk alright, baby.
My mommy played with Hazel. Thank you for watching. Like the video.